Wise, having or showing experience, knowledge, and good judgment. Intelligent, sage, astute. Viable, capable of working successfully. Feasible, practical, workable. Day, venture, a risky or daring journey or undertaking. Enterprise, endeavor, project. Day, transient, lasting only for a short time. Impermanent, temporary, fleeting, passing. Day, squelch, to forcefully silence or suppress. Suppress, quash, silence. Now, spiritually, relating to or affecting the human spirit or soul as opposed to material or physical things. Emotionally, inwardly, mentally. Now, scenery, the natural features of a landscape considered in terms of their appearance. Landscape, view, vista. Revolution, a forcible overthrow of a government or social order in favor of a new system. Uprising, rebellion, revolt. Chance, revise, reconsider and alter something in the light of further evidence. Edit, amend, modify, explore, revision. Day, protract, prolonged in time, delayed, drawn out, prolonged, extended, delayed. Explore the reservoir, a large natural or artificial lake used as a source of water supply. Lake, pond, cistern. Now, prosper, to succeed in material terms. Be financially successful. Thrive, flourish, succeed. Now, prospect, the possibility or likelihood of some future event occurring. Possibility, potential, chance. Revise. Now, privileged, having special rights, advantages, or immunities. Advantaged, favored, elite. Prevalent, widespread in a particular area or at a particular time. Widespread, common, prevalent. Day, preference, a greater liking for one alternative over another or others. Choice, liking, inclination. Now, pivoting, the action of turning around a point. Rotating, turning. Swiveling. Phobia, an extreme or irrational fear of or aversion to something. Fear, aversion, dread. Now, perspiration, the process of sweating. Sweating, sweat, moisture. Periodic, occurring or recurring at regular intervals. Regular, recurrent, cyclic. A. Passive, accepting or allowing what happens or what others do without active response or resistance. Submissive, acquiescent, inert. Literally, in a literal manner or sense, exactly, precisely, accurately. Incredulous, unwilling or unable to believe something. Skeptical, doubtful, dubious. A. Freight, to transport goods or materials over land or sea. Transport, carry, ship. Expand, become or make larger or more extensive. Enlarge, increase. Dramatic, relating to drama or the performance or study of drama. Theatrical, striking, impressive. Demonic, of, resembling, or characteristic of demons or evil spirits. Evil, devilish, diabolic. Demolished, completely destroyed or ruined. Destroyed, wrecked, obliterated. Constituents, a component part of something. Elements, components, parts. Now, collaboration, the action of working with someone to produce or create something. Cooperation, teamwork, partnership. Words, coherent, logical, and consistent. Logical, consistent, cohesive. Apocalypse, the complete final destruction of the world, especially as described in the biblical book of Revelation, an event involving destruction or damage on a catastrophic scale. Catastrophe, Armageddon. A. Antipathy, a deep-seated feeling of dislike. Aversion, dislike, hatred, hostility. Now, Alumni A graduate or former student, especially male, of a particular school, college, or university. Graduates, former students, alums,